Yeah. You had me trapped like the gas in a coke can. Still let it bang like a slow jam. Watch your money grow, that was my program. I ain't talking Jeezy, but you're looking at the snowman. Trapping in my Yeezy, cause I got it off the low hand. I know a few Lindsays want that brandy and that whiskey, and my bars will leave him tipsy. I was doing 4 for 60, I ain't sticking to the limit. In the 30 doing 60, I got 30 niggas with me, and we working for a milli and some. Missus say I'm handsome, bitches falling at my feet, I can't even stand them. I don't even fuck these bitches, and they throwing tantrums. Free my fucking man them on the fucking landing. Yeah, you know I've been to many cans, smoking on that cookie, this ain't Maryland's. When I was in jail, them bitches airing, man. Now she wanna share a man, now she wanna fuck me, what she telling, man? Married to the street, bitch, I still got the wedding plans. Breaking down a brick with these pair of hands. Tell him that I'm flying and that Peter boy, I never land. And fuck a diva, bitch, I'm bougie, I got hella bands. And fuck a diva, bitch, I'm bougie, I got hella bands. And fuck Trump, I'm the president. Smoking on the screen, it came from Edmonton. Me and Mover sliding on the hexagon. Remember Jones had me selling bones to a skeleton. I'll run up in your home with that chrome, that's that Remington. Remember times I fallen off, had to pick myself back up. I was in the Audi 8, now I want that Bentley truck. No, I wouldn't fuck your bitch, wouldn't even get my nut. Brought my new missile whip, I ain't gotta pick her up. Nigga still living up, still rocking Michael J's. Crack up in the microwave, rolling for the time of day. Used to be broke, but your nigga had to find a way. Now the crop's stinking, you can smell it from a mile away. I'm a trap star, up in trap stars clothing. You ain't a gangster, you a fag, I'll smoke him. I'm up in Nassau, cut his Cali packs potent. And I'm a black star, you another Frank Ocean. You ain't built like that, man, niggas done told you. Way before antisocial, I was moving antisocial. Now they got me on the socials, now they wanna hear my vocals. No, I ain't Chief Keef, yeah, my gang be going global, huh?